Back with another video. 300 Chrysler 2011, doing a radiator swap out. Had to take out the front end. Take the front end off here. Get to it to get to these bolts that's holding the radiator, the brackets. So you got to take the whole front clip off. It's 2011 300. Take the front clip off, the fan cover, take all that out just to get to this radiator. Then you got the cooling hoses over here. Let's connect it and pull it out. So it's almost ready to come out. Like and subscribe. Appreciate it. I'm out.